Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures and the other way around. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the option System and Updates. On the second position, we've got System Navigation, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got our 2 options, so 3-key navigation and gestures. So let's start with 3-key navigation. If you've got... oh no, that's not what I wanted to do. If we've got the gestures applied and we would like to set the 3-key navigation, simply tap on this option right here and your device will immediately apply the 3-key navigation. Moreover, here you can tap on settings and customize the 3-key combinations, so you can reorder the back button and the recents. You can also apply this icon to hide the navigation bar. You can also hide navigation keys just by using this additional button. As you can see, after tapping on it, we can just hide them. So it's up to you. This is how it works. We've got also option more, and basically this is the navigation dock. So if you'd like to use it, you can do it. However, I think it is a little bit more useful if we've got the gestures set, not the 3-button navigation, but obviously it's completely up to you. So now, if you'd like to set the gestures, if you've got the 3 keys, simply tap on the gestures, and here we've got the gesture tutorial. If you'd like to, you can simply tap on Start and then go through the tutorial. You will learn how to use the gestures. I don't want to do it. Moreover, I will show you in a second how to use the gestures. Now let me just focus. We do not have the 3-button navigation. Everything is clean. We can tap on settings here and we can either show navigation bar, so we can show this line at the bottom of the screen. It's completely up to you whether you'd like to show it or not. It will not affect the usage or whatever. And here you can decide whether you'd like to slide across bottom to switch apps. And to be honest, I think I highly recommend to keep this option turned on, because it is a great option to quickly switch between apps like that. As you can see, we can just swipe and we can go between the apps. Alright, so now in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, we have to swipe our finger from the side to the center of this device like that. And if you can see the arrow, you have to release the finger. And as you can see, you have to do it quite quickly, because if you will hold your finger for too long, you will open this additional bar at the side. So just swipe and release the finger. And the same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you'd like to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center and hold your finger somewhere here, something like that. And here we've got the recents. And again, if you'd like to switch between apps, just swipe your finger at the bottom from the left to the right or right to left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.